This video features the kitty play zone, which we purchased at the Novi Pet Expo. You can turn it into a cottage or a castle. Let's see if the cats like it.
On this episode of Sushi and Runt, we get down and dirty with some cats and learn how to build a cardboard cat house. Sushi's inspecting the materials. Looks like everything's here in the kitty play zone. No tools required. Little hard to get out of the box. Definitely time for a break for Sushi. Along comes the roofer Ramsay. They got in a little scuffle. Argument about breaks. It's easier to put a roof on by herself. Ramsay observes her building materials before putting on the roof. This is a dirty job. Of course, Sushi's always watching. It was Runt's job to put on the windows. She was halfway done with the shutters before she went inside to take a nap. When it was time for the showing, Miss Ramsay went in first like a lady should. Louie got a little jealous. Boys are always last in this house. Ramsay didn't even make no room for Louie. But Louie made sure to leave a little hole in the roof. Runt got in there first, and Ramsay got upset because Runt is a loud upstairs neighbor. Now it's time to eat. There's a little back entryway. Once again, Miss Ramsay runs the show. But Louie sneaks in through the top. They can make room. Louie just wants to check out the place. He prefers to be perched on top of the world, on top of the kitchen cupboards. He's just making sure the building's safe. Look at this tower in the middle. That helps hold up the roof. We relocated the house to the kitchen. Ramsay discovered the secret exit. Finally, Louie's got the house to himself. Once the building passes Louie's nap test, they can start with the interior design. We hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for more. And if you got ideas for how they should decorate the house, leave it in the comments.
Thanks for watching our video. Please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and tell a friend about our channel. Bye-bye.